Ooh, computer. Welcome back to Mumbo's Collectos. Today we're having a look at the Lego Minifigures, Series 26, and there are 12 to collect. So I have 12 boxes here because I have the full set. As the thumbnail states, you no longer need codes to figure out which figure is inside which box. You just need to download this app and it'll tell you exactly what's inside. If you haven't seen my last video about this, go watch that video. Let's get to unboxing. Unboxing time, let's go. Here's the brochure, and here's all the characters that we can collect in this series. Happy face, happy angry face. I love the makeup. Let's go with the angry face. She's got a lovely helmet with her hair. Space gun. I love how this set has got all the stars on the bottom there. Whoops, this looks like it's part of her skirt, so let's put that on. And she's got a space dog. He's pretty cool. And he sits on just like that. Let's open the next box. Box 2. Let's put the baby together. Don't think you can take the head out of this one. Happy face. And electrical socket. Cyclops. Let's go with the face. Oh, I like how she's got see-through arms. Only just noticed that. And I'll put the baby just there. Box 3. Looks like we got the Beetle alien one. Love the wings. This is very colourful. Look at this head. There is no actual typical Lego head here. It's just a alien helmet. So this part is supposed to go on top like that. And in the picture, he's holding this in his hand. I don't see how this is supposed to be in his hand. I'll just move him over and pop it like that. This one's probably my favorite so far, just because it's different. Love the wings. Box 4, let's go. This one looks like a chef robot. Happy face. No face. Ah! Let's go with happy face. That's pretty cool. That's a pretty big helmet. Let's turn his hand around so he can hold the pot. And we'll put this inside. Looks like I got a double of that one. I find it extremely hard putting these little pieces into their hands. And I've got an extra egg beater as well. Box 5, let's go. Okay, not many pieces in this one. Happy face? No face. Well, guess we're going with happy face. Let's put his neck piece on. Happy face. And his helmet. So this one doesn't have many accessories, but I do quite like this one. Very simple. Oh, there's the Earth. And I just like how he's got stars everywhere. Pretty. Box 6, let's go. Look how many parts there are for this one. This one's a bit complex, so we'll have to follow the instructions. First, we click this on. Then we put these parts together. And this goes on top of there. Then these click on this. Yellow one there. This eye looking thing on there. Let's put the body together. Happy face. No face. Alright, we're sticking with happy face. Put her suit on first. Then her happy face. And her helmet. Then looks like this is her helmet shield. But then you can't see her face. I would prefer if this was see-through so you could actually see her face. And there she is. Astronaut lady with her face. And these are all the spare parts that I got with that. Box 7. Wow, this one's got so many pieces as well. So we'll also have to follow the instructions for this one. Let's do the body first. This part goes in here. And this on this side. Looks like this goes there. This part goes in there. This dial here. And that goes on there. Angry, happy face. Ooh, computer. Angry face. Let's go with this face. Arrgh. Helmet. And here he is complete. Now, in the pictures, he's supposed to hold on to this red thing, but I don't see how he's supposed to hold on to it. So he's just going to look like that, which looks a bit weird. But still a very interesting space person. Box 8, let's go. Wow, this one's got 2 hands. Looks like he's half person, half demon or reptile, monster. His breathing apparatus goes next. Ooh, half monster indeed. And he's only got 1 face, so we'll go with this one. Love the hair. And then the guns both go in the green hands because it's the monster. That's the fighting part of him. I do like this one. Yes, I like this one very much. It's the first Lego figure that I've got with 2 hands and half monster. Box 9. This looks like a tourist alien. Alien eyes. And he's only got 1 face. Love the fedora hat. Let's get his camera working. How cute is that one? This one's great. It's a little backpack he's got on the back there. Box 10. This looks like a horoscope one. You can just barely see his face there. And he's only got 1 face as well. Nice. I love the shield. I'll have to see what horoscope that is. I think it might be Orion. Orion's belt. Box 11. Now I know this one's got 2 faces. Happy, but he looks a bit weird. Because really he's an alien. I think this one's supposed to be called the Imposter one. We'll check that at the end of the video. Let's put his head on. His hair. And I think he's got an antenna. And he's got a little alien buddy. I think I had a spare alien. Well, that's all right because there is space to put the spare alien. This one's pretty cool as well. I like how he's got a line on his head there. There you go. Robot. Very funny. We've finally come to the last box. Let's go. Body on. Some armor. Oh, it's a lady. Happy face. Angry face. Don't mess with me. Helmet. This piece goes in there. This goes like this. That can go in there. And she has a little penguin robot buddy. And there she is. And if you don't want to put the helmet on, she does have hair as well. And I can put the helmet on the little penguin. Hee hee. All right, let's look at all of these together now. And here's the full set together. Like I said at the start of the video, download the Brick Search app because as you can see, I got no doubles, so it definitely works. The other good thing about the Brick Search app is it actually tells you what the names are of all the different figures. Whereas you can see on the leaflet, there are no names at all. It is just check boxes. Which one is my favorite? You know what? Today I'm going to go with simple. It has to be this spaceman one because he's nice and simple. It was easy to put together. I really like this little detail of the earth there. And he just looks great. This one here has a few more accessories. So this would be number 2. And this one here, he's simple as well. So that one's number 3. My next Lego video that I do will be another Marvel Studios unboxing because I'm still looking for my beast. So keep an eye out for that one. Lego has already announced that they will be releasing Series 27 soon, and that one will be Dungeons and Dragons, so I can't wait for that. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you. You are very much appreciated, as it really does take me a long time to edit and film these Lego videos. If you haven't yet, please do consider liking and subscribing because it really helps the channel out and helps me to keep making more videos for you. For more Lego videos, watch this one up here or that one down there. I hope to see you in the next video, and until then, happy hunting! Woohoo!